Ateso kia mohedo moedoa no echere konji watigo kia. Good morning, guys. Today I want to show you how this thing is gonna be used. This one we call it a pallet clamp. That's how it looks like. It clamps on the pallet, and then you put a strap right here, hook it on the forklift, and then it's gonna pull it. We're gonna put that to the test today. Very, very nice. You need to have this one in handy when you're doing the cargo van business. 3 more to go. Pull this one for him. This one is too light. This is 33 pounds. Okay. Ateso kia mohedo moedoa no echere konji watigo kia. There you go. And then you're going to take the clamp, hook it to the pallet, and the other side you're going to hook it to the forklift. There you go, slowly. That's it. Just like that. Right there. That's good, that's good. Forward. Then you take your clamp out. Just like that. That's how easy this thing makes the work.
This thing is electric, right?